A lot of people who come in here to learn, a lot of people who come in here searching for the inspiration.
What I've seen here, it's amazing. So many young people that are interested in the new technologies, creating projects, creating MVPs, struggling to get finance. This is a great vibe, and I encourage you to do it again.
It's very important to meet new people, to start building together, and Binance is the best solution to start with.
It's always a pleasure to come here and see what the local crypto ecosystem is all about.
It's an amazing opportunity for participants to get access to amazing speakers.
Love the quality of the projects, love the quality of the conference, the stage is looking beautiful.
I'm sure you know that Romania is going to become a key market for the attendees.
I think it's wonderful. It's well organized, lots of great information. I learned a lot of things here.
It's a huge event. That means that there's a lot of interest about blockchain.
This year is at least 3 times as big in terms of participants.
I think it's one of the best crypto conferences here.